MERL coin, the native token of Merlin chain, one of the most hyped Bitcoin layer projects, is going through a rough and dramatic turn. Right now it's trading around 21 cents, and in the last 24 hours it has dumped nearly 40%, shocking a lot of holders who were expecting a strong continuation rally. The momentum flipped hard, and the entire community is trying to figure out what exactly triggered this sudden fall. The first thing to understand is that Merlin chain has been one of the fastest growing ecosystems in the Bitcoin L2 narrative. Massive TVL inflows, high user activity, and buzz around bridging BTC liquidity gave MERL a strong upside run earlier. But the bigger the hype, the sharper the correction, and that's exactly what we are watching unfold today. One of the major contributors to this crash is heavy profit-taking. Early investors, especially those who received large allocations during the early phases and airdrop events, have been selling aggressively. When whales start unloading their bags in thin liquidity, the chart reacts instantly, and that's what pushed MERL into a rapid downhill slide. Another point behind the dump is market-wide rotation away from Bitcoin ecosystem tokens. After multiple BTC Layer 2 tokens pumped in recent days, traders are now shifting capital to newer narratives like AI, RWA, and modular networks. That rotation is draining liquidity from MERL, weakening its support zones and triggering cascading sell-offs. At the same time, there's increased chatter about unlock events and upcoming token releases. While nothing catastrophic has been confirmed, even rumors of unlocks cause panic, especially when the price was already struggling to hold important levels. A lot of short-term traders simply didn't want to take the risk and jumped ship early. However, in the short term, the sentiment is clearly shaky. When a token dumps 40% in a single day, the psychological impact is huge. Retail traders panic, whales exploit volatility, and every bounce gets sold into. For MERL to stabilize, it needs two things: volume returning on the buy side and a strong catalyst from the team, either ecosystem growth updates or new partnerships that reignite confidence. Looking ahead, price targets are going to depend heavily on how the market reacts over the next few sessions. If MERL finds a solid floor around 18 to 20 cents, it could start forming a base for a relief rebound. A recovery back toward 25 cents is possible if buyers step in and if the broader BTC layer narrative comes back into play. But the bigger target, the zone near 30 to 35 cents, would only be achievable if the market conditions turn bullish again and Merlin chain announces fresh ecosystem expansions.